Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denis and I'm a real estate broker here in Miami. And today we're back to Sunny House Beach to tour one of the properties at one of the newest buildings. It's called Turnberry Ocean Club. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my tours. And today we're at Ocean Club Residences and we're about to see one of the units. It's 27 floor, 4 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 3,625 square feet. We have a terraces, one faces east, one faces west. It's about 800 plus square feet. Unit's fully built out, fully furnished. And let's start from this side. Let's go to the kitchen first. As you see that marble, I love that color of the marble. It has kitchen island, Gaggenau appliances, top of the line finishes. We have a Gaggenau steam, we have espresso machine, oven. Everything is Gaggenau. It's a German brand. If you didn't know, it's very great quality. We have a right here Gaggenau fridge, and other side I would say about 50 bottles wine cooler. Let's go and see master bedroom and then I'll show you views, ocean views. It's all about ocean views here in Miami. By the way, flooring, here we have a marble floor. I think size is 24 by 48. It's great selection. And a wood floor right here. I love that wood floor. I've never seen anything before. Texture, it's like a, I don't know how to explain it, but it's something different. It's not a flat texture. By the way, it's an olive ash thermal wood. And owners mentioned that when that wood is installed, glue is not being used here. So it's a, I would say, eco. I think it's a really great choice in my opinion. Here we have a main bathroom with a double sink, with a soaking tub, shower, and of course marble everywhere. Floors, wood, walls everywhere. And here we have two closets, one here, one on left side, one of course it's a smaller, it's his closet, bigger it's hers closet. It's okay, it's always like that. I love the closets because they're very good quality as well with the recessed lighting. There is always a, I would say, needed for light in the closets. And we have your main master bedroom that has two great views. One view of your TV, or you can choose view of the Atlantic Ocean that unbeatable. That's why people buy condos here in Miami. And we have access on your terrace, on your balcony with a super wide size. It's a deep and wide. I would say it's about 8 to maybe 9 feet deep and super wide. You have your summer kitchen with a cooktop. You have a grill. It's a electric grill. It's very convenient. I think it's much more convenient than gas because if you want to use it, you can just turn it on and you can cook dinner for your family right away. You have some sitting area, you can enjoy your view, and I like the railings. They're not blocking your view no matter where you are, if you're sitting inside of the apartment or if you're enjoying your views from the balcony. Guys, be my guest and step inside, I'll show you living room. Furniture is by Visionary, Baxter, and Reggiano. Everything is Italian brands, custom built. It's great quality, great materials. By the way, did I show you that table? It's a dining table for 6 person and it's made out of one piece of marble. That's something unique. I would say, I would call it like art installation. Let's go and see the rest of the apartment. So here we have some lounge area. By the way, I like the match, the way they did it, painting, and some sitting area to enjoy it. And we have some closet here on this side, because in Miami, in the condos, you always need some extra space in the condos. Unless if you have in the house there's more room, but in the condos, more closet, and more closet is better. We have a powder room right here, and on this side we have first bedroom that has own views on the ocean as well. You see some cities. As I said, unit comes fully furnished with great materials. You can see it's Alcantara, super soft touch, guys. And your own bathroom with the same type of marble walls on the sink, and your view. Let's go and see the other two bedrooms. Yeah, everything is great. I love it. I love when I tour something like that. By the way, you can see whole apartment, see, from one side to another. We have a wash and dryer room right here, some extra space also. I would call it extra closet. You know, third bedroom right here and the fourth bedroom on this side. Everywhere, same type of wood floor closet. By the way, here the same thing. You have access to the balcony from both rooms, and not only rooms. I'll show you. Let's go. You have also access to the balcony from your bathroom. Take a look at the view from that bathroom. You're facing the Aventura, you're facing Sunny Isles water, and you face Aventura as well. Let's go and take a look at it. Same size, it's I think a little bit smaller, just a little bit smaller balcony, very deep, very wide, has a great views, as I mentioned, especially those views unbeatable at night when everything is lights up after sunset. First you will enjoy your sunset, and then you will enjoy city with the lights up. Guys, that unit asking 7,850,000 square feet. It's flow through from east to west, sunset and sunrise views. 4 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, has your living room, has your family room, has your powder room. Any questions about that unit or any other units, let me know. You can put in the comments. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time in my new videos or in Miami. Thank you, guys.